next time you see this, you'll know how I make this. This easy hack, you can make grape juice out of wild grapes in minutes. Pick bunches of grapes. Throw them stems and all into a blender and blend on high until pulped. Pour into a basket or wire mesh sieve. When the flow stops, pour it into another basket or wire mesh sieve. And then rinse out the basket or sieve. Then pour the sieve the basket, rinse out the sieve, and repeat. What's happening is that the pores of the basket, the sieve, get easily clogged up by the grape pulp, so only a little bit gets through at first, and then it's just clogged. So you just keep on swapping between these two, and you're just using that initial draining and then rinsing out the pulp and debris. It does help if you add water and make it a more dilute solution, but you can do it with pure grapes. The end product will just be very thick, like pulp, versus watery if you add water. Towards the end, you'll notice it getting thicker, so you can start shaking it around a bit. And boil it. At this point, you can add sugar and can it into jelly, or just add water and drink it as juice.